Do you subscribe to any quilting magazines? There's so much inspiration in these pages. And many magazines have skill builder tutorials, which are a great reference for beginners. Let's take a look at a quilt that I recently had published in a magazine. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm Andy, and this is True Blue Quilts, a place where all quilters can find joy in the making. I'm a long arm quilter, pattern designer, and teacher, and I want to help you enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt. I'm sharing my latest magazine feature. This is the February-March 2021 issue of Fons&Porter's Quick and Easy Quilts. This is me on page 52. So let's flip over to that. And this is twin stars. Yes, I created 2 baby quilts. So I've got a nice layout there. These are the instructions. There are 2 quilts here. Pink and blue is just for easy reference there. So we've got the one layout with the conjoined twins there, the twin stars that are touching. And then the blue quilt is the stars that are separated here by those fun borders. So just something a little bit different there. And then, of course, the magazine gives you some other instructions. So my pink stars and my blue stars there featured in Fons&Porter's Quick and Easy Quilts. For these baby quilts, I chose a fun diamond print in teal and pink for the background of my stars. This definitely gave them a stripy feel. It can be a challenge to work with directional prints, especially when you are sewing diagonal seams like I did in the star points. If you don't plan ahead, your final blocks will look a bit chaotic as the stripes go in every direction. Looking at my diamond fabric, I can see that my stripes are running parallel to the selvage. So if I cut a long narrow strip this way and then turn it, my direction's going to change. So I make a quick sketch of the star and then indicate how I want the stripes running vertically behind it. But then I notice that when I take these star points, the top and bottom ones will go vertical, so I will need to cut that long and skinny piece with the stripes running vertical. To get this piece, I'll need the width this way, but then to get this other piece, I will need to keep them, because that's going to be turned on the side, so I'll need to turn my fabric and cut the width this way. So I'll need 2 different orientations of my fabric, and that may affect the yardage that the pattern designer included. So it's always better to buy a little more fabric when you are working with stripes or directional fabric. Do you love star quilt blocks as much as I do? Check out this video where I share construction tips for some of my favorite star quilt blocks. Subscribe to this channel so that you never miss a new video. I've got some new patterns coming up that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.